Well, we've got our basil here and it's growing very nicely, but it's only got 3 main stems on it. So we would like to trim it, and we want to take off that apical dominance that it's creating, and we want to spread that around to the other shoots that are starting out. So what we'll do is we'll take it and we'll go down to the next place that there's a joint, and we will clip it right there. And then these branches will come out, and so will these. It'll force all of them to come out, and it'll be much bushier. So we'll do that to each one. And then we'll take off this bloom, because we don't want it to bloom. We want it to continue to produce beautiful leaves. There we go. Now it'll bush out and produce more leaves, more for us to harvest to make pesto.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.